Welcome to the Developer Dilemma, ChatGPT's coding versus debugging reality. In this video, we'll explore the evolving role of AI in software development, specifically focusing on ChatGPT's capabilities in coding and the often overlooked reality of debugging. The rise of AI in coding has brought forth a lot of excitement and bold promises. We've heard about AI writing perfect code, automating entire development cycles, and making developers' lives infinitely easier. But how much of this is reality? And how much is still a dream? Let's start with the dream scenario. Imagine a tool that can instantly generate code for any task you describe, handling syntax, logic, and best practices seamlessly. ChatGPT, among other AI models, has certainly shown flashes of this potential. Here, you can see ChatGPT effortlessly generating a simple Python script for a common task. It's fast, efficient, and for straightforward problems, it often gets it right on the first try. The allure is undeniable. The speed and convenience of AI-generated code can significantly accelerate initial development phases, allowing developers to quickly prototype or handle repetitive tasks. It's like having an incredibly fast intern for boilerplate work. However, the dream often collides with reality when that perfect AI-generated code hits the compiler, or, more critically, when it encounters unexpected edge cases in a live environment. This is where debugging enters the picture, and it's often more complex than writing the initial code. While AI can generate code quickly, it's not immune to errors. Common issues include subtle logical flaws, misinterpretations of complex requirements, or generating code that simply doesn't fit into existing larger systems without conflicts. Watch as we try to debug an issue with an AI-generated script. Notice how identifying the root cause often requires a deep understanding of not just the code, but also the system it operates within, something AI currently struggles to grasp holistically. The hype around AI coding often overshadows the intricate and human-centric challenge of debugging. It's not just about finding a syntax error. It's about understanding complex interactions, unintended consequences, and the why behind the what. Debugging remains a human-centric task because it demands critical thinking, pattern recognition across vast codebases, and often an intuitive understanding of how users interact with software. These are areas where human cognitive abilities still far surpass current AI. Consider real-world scenarios, diagnosing a performance bottleneck in a distributed system, tracing an elusive bug that only appears under specific network conditions, or understanding why an AI's proposed solution creates a security vulnerability. These require context, nuance, and experience that AI currently lacks. So where does ChatGPT truly shine in the developer's workflow? It's not as a replacement, but as a powerful assistant. ChatGPT can be incredibly useful for generating boilerplate code, serving as a quick reference for syntax, or even brainstorming different approaches to a problem. It accelerates the initial draft, freeing up developers to focus on the more complex, higher-level architectural decisions and, of course, debugging. The key takeaway is the importance of human oversight and validation. AI-generated code should always be treated as a first draft, requiring thorough review, testing, and, if needed, rigorous debugging by a human expert. As we move forward, the relationship between AI and human developers will continue to evolve. Understanding AI's strengths and, more importantly, its current limitations is crucial for navigating this new landscape. The goal isn't to replace developers, but to augment their capabilities. AI can handle the repetitive, while humans focus on the critical thinking, problem-solving, and quality assurance that truly delivers robust software. So while ChatGPT might write the code, your debugging skills will remain your ultimate superpower. Embrace AI as a tool, but never underestimate the irreplaceable value of human expertise in building reliable, high-quality software.